In the last video, we built an invoice tracker to see what's paid and what's not. But knowing something is unpaid doesn't tell you which invoices to prioritize. Some might not be due yet, and some might already be late. In this video, I'll give you an updated automation to automatically highlight late payments with Excel Automate, so overdue invoices jump out at you instantly. If you appreciate this type of content, tap that like button. Here's what we'll get at the end. You'll recognize the status column from the last automation, but now overdue invoices are highlighted in red, and invoices due soon are highlighted in yellow, so you can immediately see which ones need your attention. Quick break, if you want a copy of this script, it's free on my website along with the template. Links in the description below. Now let's get into the logic. First, the automation checks each invoice. Is it still unpaid, and is today past the due date? If both are true, then that invoice is overdue, and we highlight it in red because it's both urgent and important. Then the automation checks which invoices are due within the next 7 days and highlights those in yellow. They're important, just not as urgent as the red ones. So let's see it in action. I'll head over to Automate, find the automation, and click Run. And there it is. Instead of scanning your entire invoice list, you can immediately see what needs attention right now and what's coming up. This makes it a lot easier to stay on top of your payments and stop losing track of money that's owed to you. And if you want to go deeper on tracking payments, our next automation will automatically prioritize your invoices to follow up on.